twist it off. It's like that. A little bit of water will come out. That's nothing.
Hey guys, welcome back to your review channel. Today we're looking at a water filter replacement for an InSinkErator. Now, if you have an instant hot at home, and if you have a filter, you want to change this every 6 months approximately, depending on how much you use your water. What this is helps with, it says here pretty much reduces particles, chlorine, taste, and odor. The chlorine and the taste kind of go together, get rid of that taste and odor. It really does help it quite a bit, especially if you have a lot of chlorine in the water. And it's just a basic filter. They have different levels of filter. This is the one I've been using for many years, and I'm just going to show you how to replace it in your instant hot. So stick with me, watch this video. I want to tell you a little bit about this. Again, 6 months. This is a 2-pack, and you can get multiple packs online. There's 2s and 4s and 6s, whatever you're looking for. I've been using this for years and years. I just want to show you what they look like. So they come in a little 2-packages here, like you see, little instruction, a little information about the filter. But this is how they actually come. So they come in a little bag like this here. They're all sealed, and you open this up. Very simple. Okay, just basically just either cut it open or get a scissors, whatever. Pop this open. Now this filter here is ready to go. You just pop off this top here, and these just screw right on. Don't have to worry about really shutting off the main water at all. You just pop off the old one and pop on the new one. Again, reduces particles, chlorine, taste, and odor. This is the F-201R is the filter number. You can see that right there. I'll show you that as a close-up so you can see that. Again, I've been using these for years, every 6 months approximately. All right, let's go, stop enough talking. Let's go change the filter, and I'll show you exactly how to do it on my Instant Hot, and that way you know how to do it really easy. And just put a date on here with a permanent marker. That way you know when you change it. That way if you're not sure, write it on the filter. Easy enough to do. All right, let's go change it.
You can see here is my Instant Hot, and here is the filter right here. Really easy. All you do is basically unscrew it and put the new one in. So let's just take it out right now. I'll show you. Use 2 hands and just twist it off. It's like that. A little bit of water will come out. That's nothing. Just pick that up with like a little paper towel. No problem. Have a little rag right here, and that's just pretty common. And then you take the new one in. Okay, so I took the old one off. As you can see, I'm gonna pop in the new one here. Here's the new one here. All you have to do is just put it on. Not that difficult. Just twist it on. Pop it in and just twist it, and you're good to go. That easy. That's how simple it is to change these filters. Really easy. And I just run the water sometimes just to get them just flushed right through the system. Super easy. I got a little rag just to pick up some of the little bit of water, and that's all you have to do to change these filters. I'm going to show you how to run the water just to flush it through. Okay, so what I do next is just run the hot water and just let it cycle through. That's all you really have to do. And what I do is I make sure I let it come out cold. That way the tank is totally empty, and you can smell some of the little bit of chlorine coming out of it. So I let it run totally till it comes out cold. That way the tank is filled with fresh filtered water. And that's pretty much all you have to do. It's just that easy, guys. Let it run through. And when that's done, and you're all set to go. All right, guys, hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Really easy to do. There'll be a link for the product that's crossed below the underneath the field here in the description. Also over here is a QR code. Go ahead and scan that. It's going to work perfectly. Never had any problems with these ever, and fantastic. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.